Good afternoon. I'm Janet Sanders with the Loup Basin RC&D, and we're out on a nice sunny afternoon talking with Amos Lange about the installation of the underground water, and it looks like you guys are well underway here.
Yeah, like Janet said, I'm the general manager here at the North Loup River Public Power and Irrigation District, and what we're doing is we're replacing an old lateral, which was basically essentially a dirt ditch to supply our farmers with water, and we're putting it in with a PVC pipe and going to supply a lot better service, and we won't have any water loss. We get about 6 feet of loss on this ditch alone a day, so we're losing 6 CFS a day, which would equate to being able to irrigate about 200 acres for farmers. And so what we're doing is we're replacing it with 24-inch 80-pound PSI plastic pipe, and it's 3.5 miles, and it's going to hopefully be able to get done by next spring and be able to supply our farmers with a little bit better water.
Conservation is the issue, and everybody's wants to make sure that we're not wasting any water.
Right, and that's a big goal of ours. And then not only that, but to supply our farmers with 21st century technology to match what they're doing to progress and, you know, make everybody's bottom line a little easier to come by, and where guys don't have to struggle getting water to their field to water and irrigate. This will just make it a lot better and faster. It'll be on demand. I mean, you call our ditch rider and he'll be able to be here in 5-10 minutes and turn your valve on, and you'll be able to irrigate right away. So
right now down there at Highway 11, they're working on getting ready to put a portion underneath the highway.
Yes, ma'am.
And so they're welding that together. And
yep. So it's 230 feet, and we have to bore it and air hammer it in. And so they'll take our 21-inch pipe and encase it in a 36-inch steel pipe that is welded solid and bored underneath the highway, and then in the gap from the 21-inch to the 36-inch, they'll fill it with flow sand, and that way, if it ever would burst, it would never rupture the highway or anything. It'll run out the ends.
Okay, so we can see a GPS unit down there. They're going to be able to tell how much this is going to go to connect into down there at the highway.
Yep. So what we've done is we're here with Komatsu today, and we're demoing a smart technology system that has GPS in the actual machine, so it lets my guys dig and never gets a soft grade, and it's going to be able to do it across the whole project. So just a lot more efficient, and you know, this is kind of we've done one other project similar to this size. This one's a little bigger, but you know, we're laying up to 600 feet a day and trying to beat the snow and get ahead of everybody. And we face a pretty significant challenge where we can't lay pipe when everybody else is doing it, you know, in the summertime. So we have to do it from the end of September till when the snow flies, and then take off again when the ground thaws out, and hurry up and get done what we need to get done by April. So.
Well, it sounds like that they're needing you in the background, so we'll let you go for now. If anybody's got any questions about the project, would like to know more, call you at the office?
Yes, yep, call me at the office, and more than willing to talk to anybody about it. And if you farmers, if it's something you guys want to look into doing on your property, we're sure open to partnerships and speeding this process up. But we've got a long road ahead of us with burying pipe. We're a little behind, but something we're really passionate about, and getting better service, and you know, potentially signing up more acres with the water we get to keep from losing it to the ground. So.
Okay, all right. Well, we'll talk with you again here maybe in a few days and see how you're coming, and we'll close it out for now.
All right, thanks guys.
You bet.
Thank you.